Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor, what is the total national debt as of now?
Sa ngayon po, ang total is about 16 trillion.
16 trillion pesos?
15.69 trillion to be exact. Madam
Okay,
Speaker.
so we now have, Madam Speaker, a total debt of 15.6 trillion pesos. Just a year ago, this was, I think, 14 trillion pesos. Correct me if I'm wrong, Madam Sponsor.
That is correct, Madam Speaker, Your Honor.
So, Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor, what specific measures or strategies will the government implement to address the shortfalls?
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, ang pinaka-importante pagdating sa utang ay ang tinatawag na debt to GDP ratio. Ibig sabihin, hindi yung absolute amount ng utang, kung hindi yung relative amount ng utang. Ibig sabihin, kung gaano kalaki ang utang kumpara sa kabuoang kita ng ekonomiya.